I'm at Rolling Wok, city of San Gabriel, California. Rolling Wok is located next to San Gabriel Superstore and only provides lunch service. Rolling Wok is an authentic Taiwanese fast food restaurant with reasonable price meal. I like the 2 items combo meal with soup. gonna taste food, I got it from Rolling Wok restaurant, located in the city of San Gabriel. Rolling Wok restaurant is a Taiwanese style fast food restaurant, and this are 2-item combo with soup. And this one is the mapo tofu, and this is the pork meatball, and with the soup, that is the seaweed with egg soup. And this one is curry chicken, and that is bean curd with onion and green bell pepper, also with the seaweed and egg soup. I'm gonna taste the soup. So we have seaweed and egg in the soup. Like this. It's a good taste of the soup, not too salty. Very good. Try this. Get some rice, and mapo tofu, and we get the pork meatball, and we got a green bell pepper, bean curd, and the chicken all together. Well seasoned. Very good combination taste all together. It's very nice. Try this. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up, subscribe the channel, press the bell button so you get notified when we update the channel. Please also follow us at IG and Facebook.